everyone, it's Louise with Louise Make Art, and welcome to my channel. So, hope everyone's doing good out there. It's finally warming up a little bit here, but I still have the heater on. Boy, I'm really looking forward to spring, even though I do love the snow. So anyway, we're doing a Lazy Susan today, but I'm going to do it with an open cup. So for anyone that's intimidated by doing a bloom on a Lazy Susan, I just thought, you know what, let me see how an open cup works, because I've never done it before. I mean, I've done blooms, I've done swipes, I've done different color bases. I just have never done a different technique. So I have my little open cup here, which is just a 2-ounce cup that I cut the end off that I'll be feeding my paints through. And my last open cup I did was for Christmas when I made an ornament. So it's been a while. So I'm making this with a very generic color palette, because this is something that would probably be in a kitchen, so I've got to keep that in mind. So what I have here is my gold combination, and this is mixed with mostly, I think, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium. Here's my 24 karat gold, and by Deco Art, and my iridescent gold by Golden. This is Deco Art's Obsidian. Hope you can see the consistency. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm doing because I don't do these so often. So I'm just kind of, it's like a mound on a mound. Maybe a little thick. This is the white that I'm going to use as like the primary base starter. And this is titanium white by Amsterdam and some pearl white by Amsterdam. This here is a combination of iridescent bronze by Golden and bronze by Artist Loft, and this here is Mystic Green by Modern Masters. So yeah, that's my color palette. I've got my torch right here so I don't forget it. And yeah, let's just get on with the show. Now this is going to be interesting because I've never done this before. I do love open cups though, because they're just, it's like you just don't know what you're going to get. So, oh boy, throwing things around. That's what I like to do to start with. So I'm just going to start in the middle and just see where this goes. So there's some of the white. I'll probably use that in the pour as well. Oh my God, where did it go? Lay it on my cup. Put some more around it. I hope I don't run myself out of paint. All right, let's start. What do I want to start with? I haven't even thought about the colors. Okay, let's start with black. All right, everyone, so since this was a 35-minute video, as I lay through the colors here, I'm going to go on fast forward and cut out anything you don't need to see. I'm also going to put in some music here in the meantime. So what I'm pointing out here is I just love the effect of the open cup. And what happens is, as you're laying the paints down and they skim under the lip of that little cup there, it becomes like a swipe, and the colors start to create cells as they push through the cup. It's really cool. going to throw in here, the height of your pour makes a difference too. The higher you pour in from, the more it's going to swirl and blend with the other colors that are in the cup already. So I'm going to point out here that I did level this out before I started, but since the weight of the paint now is on one side, it is causing the spinner to spin on its own. And right here I realize I've basically run myself out of white. More white. I'm going to have to mix some white up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm leaving this in at ultra fast speed. That's my Liquitex. I'm putting 50% in of that. I'm going by grams. That's 50% Floetrol. And then I'm adding my Amsterdam titanium white and the pearl white. And mixing it up, and I'll be adding water as well to thin it down. I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's good. All right. There you go. And we are really, really going in the wrong direction. Actually, it's not a wrong direction. It's just in a direction. All right, so there's that. All right, I'm going to pick up the pace again as we continue to finish layering this cup and getting this composition down so we can start to spin it out. I'll put on some music in the meantime. So let's just swirl this around a little bit. Oh, this is so cool. Don't want to lose it. I don't mind losing that over there. Okay, so let's put down some flow paint here. All right, we're gonna flow off pretty easily, I think. So let's just put little. So here I'm just adding flow paint to give the composition somewhere to flow to when I start to spin it, and I'm going to cut some of this out. I really don't want to. Okay, this is going to be a mess. So hold your seat belts. All right, get all this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take a commercial break. Very gentle spin to start with, and this is thinner paint than the bloom, so I'm going really careful with it. Okay, got one side going. I need to get these other sides going. This is where you really have to exercise patience as you're spinning it. But we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Almost out of the green. Okay. What color can I use as extender? I got a lot of bronze. All right, let's encourage this to start moving over here. I got plenty of paint. So as you see, I'm just picking up some of the drippings and applying it to the edges. Like I do with all the others. You want to get that float paint on there. And I don't need to throw any more paint down. I got paint. Just got to get it to start to spread. All right. I blended this spin and the next one here together. All right, we'll just let this go. Let it go, let it go. Got to get one side off. Now it's centered, almost. I don't want to lose all that. Go that way. Perfect. How are we doing over here? All right. Gentle. It's really easy to get carried away. My fingers are in the middle of it all. I gotta cheat it more. Now we're cheated. All right. This thing is freaking cool. Oh my gosh. So this should be reassuring. If you don't feel comfortable doing a bloom, look what you can do. Just do an open cup. Now, this is assuming that everything dries okay, everything turns out fine. There's always that factor. Oh, come on. I'm really getting impatient about getting that off. I need to clean my hands. Come on, we're almost there. Where is it? There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope this is going to dry okay. I don't have confidence in this paint because I just don't work with it enough. How are we in the middle? Oh, we're well spread. It's tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me clean up around the edges so it stops pulling the paint. Okay, let's clean up the sides, the bottom. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. I hope it dries good. Don't give me any trouble. I'm so used to popping spots. Wow. I will probably be doing more of these. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna put this to bed. I don't want this to be any off kilter on this top. I hope it dries okay. Please dry okay. I'll take an overhead shot and I'm gonna put this guy down to bed. So everyone, that's a wrap, and I can't be happier with this result. There is such a three-dimensional look, especially where the white and the green combine together, where the white provides this backlit look on the green. It looks three-dimensional. These colors played so well together, I will definitely be doing more of these. And it should give confidence to anyone out there who's afraid of doing blooms. This is a great option. So quick commercial break. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. Leave your thoughts, a comment would be appreciated, and also a thumbs up. And I will have my Lazy Susan playlist here at the end so you can see other color combinations and other creations. And that's all for now, folks. We'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot.